Although we have a large number of template designs available, there will be times when you need to create more complex designs. In our software, we give you options to easily create a bespoke design. To get started with designing a conservatory from scratch, in the Templates menu you will see a Bespoke tab to the left. Select this tab and choose the Bespoke option to the right. Press OK at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up the Freehand Designer window. The first tab to be shown is Survey. In here you will be drawing the base of the design you have surveyed. There is a Show External Sizes tick box at the top of the screen to specify whether you're inputting internal or external base sizes. You will see a blue line on the screen at a length of 3000 mm. This is your starting house wall. The length and type of this wall can be changed at the start or end when inputting the additional walls. Walls will be added anti-clockwise from the first wall. To add the next wall, you will see a tool in the top left which are shown as red lines with an arrow to indicate the direction of the wall. Once you've chosen the direction of the wall you want to add, in this example we're drawing a wall downwards, you will be given a box to input the length, angle and properties of the wall. After inputting the details you need, press OK at the bottom of the screen and you will see your wall added. This process will be repeated for all following walls, and you have the ability to double click on an existing wall to make amendments. At this point you will need to connect the two ends to complete the base. The two options you have are to connect the two ends wherever you are using this option, which can produce angled walls, or to connect the two ends together by bringing the end of the first wall parallel, creating the last wall at 90 degrees using this option. When you've input all the base measurements and connected the walls, press the next option at the bottom of the screen. This will bring you into the Points and Spiders tab. The objective of this screen is to add a point for the beginning and end of all ridges and wall plates. You are given a number of lines which form intersections where you may want to place a spider point. For your chosen design, you will add all the appropriate points. Once added, click the next option at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the next tab, which is Ridges and Wall Plates. The purpose of this tab is to join the points with either a ridge or a wall plate. This is done in a dot-to-dot manner, and the ridge and wall plate will automatically be allocated based on if it's against a house wall or not. A green line indicates a ridge and a yellow indicates a wall plate. Again, once added, click the next option at the bottom of the screen. The next tab you'll be taken to is Hips and Valleys. The software will automatically work out where you require hips and valleys based on the ridge or wall plate positions. If you are happy with the created panels, click Next at the bottom of the screen. The Pitches tab will open, displaying the roof with a pitch allocated to each slope. Double-clicking on a slope will give you an option to edit the pitch for the roof or individual slope. Once you've checked the pitches, again, click the Next option. Rafters will show you the current spacings of the rafters for each slope of the roof. To the right, you have a number of options to amend the spacings of the rafters for a selected slope. Again, click Next when you have the correct spacings. The final tab, Cutouts and Adapters, allows you to select a slope and add a cutout to the roof. Once the slope is selected, the tools to the right will activate to allow you to specify which type of cutout you need for the roof. The last step for creating your bespoke design is to click the Finish button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be prompted to confirm the design, and once you click Yes, it will load a 3D model of the bespoke design. You can then edit the design as if it were loaded from a template.